Alright guys, so this is the Love of Pretty Indian Nuez India seed. I just want to show you how to take the seed. So this is one seed, right? So when you start off taking the Nuez India seeds, you start off with 1/8 a night, every night before you sleep, not a whole seed because it's a bit too strong, right? So how you break it up is you put pressure on either side of the seed. Use your front and your index and your thumb, index finger and your thumb, and you put pressure and you slide, and then it'll slide like that. Okay, and then it breaks up quite easily, right? And then from there, I'm just gonna put that down, and then from there you get a piece like this, and you break this piece in half. Okay, mine's already broken, but it's not perfect. You break that piece in half. It breaks pretty easily. Okay. Okay, that's a little bit more than half. You can break it properly with a knife. And then you can break this piece in half again. Okay, and so you have a piece a little bit smaller than this, so this would be about 1/8. Every night before you sleep, you just take it, you put it between your two front teeth, and you just chew it up in your mouth, and then you drink some water with it about half an hour to an hour before you go to sleep, and then your tummy will become a bit regular. And then you can, you will start to use the bathroom more often, and it'll start to detox you. After about, some people, everybody's different, but some people it works a bit more faster, some people it works a bit slower, but generally after about 3 weeks to a month, you start seeing results on the seed. I personally lost 15 kgs. My mom lost 25 kgs on the seeds. So it's a very, very good product, and it works by detoxing your system. So the more toxins you have in your system, the more you'll experience that detoxing side effects from your body breaking down your fat. Yeah, so that's the product.